Hey everyone, check out the GOODEA.fun 100 FT outdoor string lights featuring 52 vintage shatterproof Edison bulbs for a warm 2700K glow. These lights are built to last with a durable PVC cable jacket and shatterproof PET plastic bulbs that can withstand all weather conditions. They are UL certified and have an IP65 waterproof rating, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Installation is simple, and you can connect up to 12 strands together with included zip ties for flexible placement. Each bulb works independently in a parallel circuit, so one bulb going out won't affect the rest. These versatile lights are dimmer compatible and ideal for patios, backyards, gardens, weddings, and more. Plus, the package includes spare bulbs and everything you need to get started right away. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.